Looking for a perfect upgrade for your old car interior? Here is our brand new 2.3-inch LCD digital cluster. Specially designed for Mazda Axela 2014 to 2019. This is a high-quality aftermarket third-party upgrade unit, bringing a full new visual renovation to your vehicle. Equipped with a large 2.3-inch full LCD screen. This digital speedometer completely replaces the original traditional mechanical instrument. It features ultra-clear display, delicate picture quality, and modern visual effects, totally upgrading your car interior grace and abandoning the old and outdated factory interior styles. Powered by stable and efficient Linux OS, this instrument cluster delivers smoother and more responsive operation compared with traditional devices. The system is highly stable with no lag, no crash and no stutter during long-term use. It realizes seamless data connection and perfect matching with your original car data system without damaging any original car lines and functions. It supports wireless CarPlay function, allowing you to wirelessly connect your mobile phone for convenient navigation, music playback and hands-free calling, bringing a smarter driving experience. Meanwhile, the split-screen display function is available, which can display multiple driving information at the same time, making your driving data viewing more intuitive and efficient. We provide rich and diverse personalized UI interfaces for free switching. You can customize the instrument style according to your preferences, meeting different aesthetic needs, adopting plug-and-play design. This digital cluster features fully non-destructive installation. It fits the original car position perfectly with no wire cutting and no modification, greatly saving your installation time and cost. Built with strict industrial-grade production standards, the whole machine has excellent stability and durability. It perfectly adapts to Mazda Axela 2014 to 2019, all trim levels with accurate data reading. We focus on high-quality aftermarket car modification accessories. All our digital instrument clusters come with 1 year professional after-sales warranty, reliable quality, stable performance, and thoughtful after-sales service provide you with worry-free upgrade experience for your Mazda Axela. RoadNavi.